On white horses, let me ride away to my world of dreams so far away. Let me run to the sun, to a world my heart can understand. It's a gentle, warm wonderland far away. Stars away, where the clouds are made of candy floss as the day is born. When the stars are gone, we'll race to meet. Where the clouds are made of candy floss as the day is born. When the stars are gone, we'll race to meet the dawn. So when I can only see the grave of a sad and very lonely day, that's when I softly sigh.
Clever bird, or was it? Which bird did you see at the beginning of the cartoon? Was it the clever bird?
And desire. I don't know. Do you think this feeling can last forever? You mean like forever, ever? Forever, ever? Forever, ever? Forever, ever? Sure. God, I hope so.